Everyone, welcome back to MK Tuition Center. If at all you are considering joining our tuitions, this is our WhatsApp number. So just leave a text and then our team is going to attend to you. All right. So let's have a look at mensuration paper 1. If you want to be on the safe side, you must know how to find area and the arc length of a sector. Now, this is just a part of a circle. I believe by now we all know the parts of a circle. Now let me focus on the sector alone. This right here is the center. From the center to the circumference, mind you, this line is the circumference. So we call this one as radius. And when we get another radius to the circumference, and then we have this part of the circumference. This is called an arc. Now, if we get this radius and this radius, we just cut this part. Now this entire part, which is made by two radii and the arc, is called a sector. So now this part is the one we have here. Let us look at area. Now the area of a sector is given by theta over 360 pi r squared, and the arc length L is given by theta over 360 2 pi r. So now these are the two formulas for these two terms, area and arc length. Okay, so now let's picture this. Let's say we have been given 7 centimeters here, and we have theta here as 60 degrees. Now in this case, maybe if they say find the area, what are we going to do? First of all, you must know that this as well is 7 centimeters, because from this point to that point we're talking about a radius, so even this length here is going to be the same. Okay, how do you find area? We just substitute. So theta in this case is 60 divided by 360 multiplied by, let's say our pi is 22 over 7. Remember, this is paper 1, so in most cases, they do give pi as a fraction. 22 over 7 multiplied by the radius squared. So we're talking about 7 multiplied by 7. This is paper 1, so it means we don't have any calculator. So we have to simplify these numbers. Okay. Now, we're going to have area equals to, so first of all, we are going to cancel these zeros. So we're going to have 6 over 36 multiplied by this 7 can cancel 1 7. So we're going to have 22 multiplied by 7. From here, we can say 6 here is 1, 6 here it is 6. So we're going to have 1 over 6 multiplied by 22 times 7, and then we can say there is a number that is common between 6 and 22. We can use 2. 2 here is 3, 2 there is 11. So we're going to have 1 over 3 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 7. So now we can just say that 1 times 11 times 7 will give us 77 divided by 3. Now this is simplified. So area will be equal to 77 over 3 square centimeters, and that is how it is done. So we have our area as 77 over 3 square centimeters. Now let us try to find the arc length, which is this one here. For area, we're finding this part, this area for the sector. But now let's see how to find this arc length. Let me just have this part erased. Okay, so now L is equal to theta is 60 over 360 multiplied by 2 times pi, which is 22 over 7 times r, which is 7. All right, we proceed. So here we can start out by cancelling these zeros. So we're going to have 6 over 36. So here we can cancel these two sevens. So we're going to have 2 times 22. If you can cancel out as many as you can just on the first step. But I'm just trying to do this step by step so that everyone understands. Okay. So here you can use 6 to simplify this. 6 here is 1, 6 here is 6. So we're going to have 1 over 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22. Okay, when we reach here, we can simplify using 2. 2 here, we are going to have 3. 2 here, we are going to have 1. So we're going to have 1 times 1 times 22 to give us 22 over this down here is just going to be 3. So we're talking about length. So length is just centimeters. All right, so this is how it is done. Very simple and straightforward. Make sure you know the formula for area because these are not given, and also the formula for arc length. After that, you must be able to know how to simplify big numbers, how to simplify numbers like these. So once you are good at this, it means you are good to go, because paper one is simple, but at times just becomes tricky. Otherwise, this is MK Tuition Center. For now, stay blessed and stay tuned. And if you are considering joining our tuitions, this is our WhatsApp number. Just drop a message and then we'll attend to you. Otherwise, step based and make sure to follow our online platforms, MK Tuition Center. All right, thank you.